Apple Core AI. The WWDC 2026 successor framework to Core ML. Apple's new layer for app developer AI integration that handles model deployment, hardware acceleration, lifecycle management, and the foundation models on-device (LLM) behind one unified API. In the next few minutes, we cover what Core AI replaces, why Core ML needed a successor, what the new framework actually does for app developers, and a migration path for existing Core ML apps. Let's get started. Let us start with the core idea behind Apple Core AI. Here are the essentials of Apple Core AI in plain language, what it is and why it was introduced. Core ML had served Apple since iOS 11 in 2017. 9 years later, the AI workloads it was designed for, image classification, on-device ML, look small next to LLMs, multimodal models, and agentic systems. Core AI is the upgrade. Where Core ML was one shape, Core AI exposes one consistent interface across LLMs via foundation models, vision models, audio models, and developer-imported custom models. Developers no longer juggle frameworks per modality. Core AI routes inference to CPU, GPU, or neural engine based on model and device. No developer-side device-specific code paths. Same code, optimal placement on every supported device. Modern AI features often download specialized model weights on demand. Core AI manages download, caching, version updates, and revocation. What apps use to handroll? Now let us look at why Apple Core AI matters in practice. Here is where Apple Core AI shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. Greenfield Apple Platform AI work should start with Core AI. Core ML still works, but the new framework absorbs everything Core ML did plus the new categories. Apple provides migration tooling for Core ML projects. The work is real but not heavy. Most Core ML code paths translate cleanly. Plan the migration during your next platform version bump. Foundation models is the LLM-specific framework. Core AI is the broader layer. Use foundation models when you mean LLM. Use Core AI for non-LLM AI features and the integration plumbing. Developers want to ship their own fine-tuned models. The story for converting and shipping custom models through Core AI is the second most important developer detail after on-device LLM access. Let us recap the key takeaways on Apple Core AI and what to do next. 9 years after Core ML, the workload mix demanded a successor. One framework instead of several. Optimal placement without developer-side decisions. Greenfield work starts here, migrations follow. That is Apple Core AI in a nutshell. If you found this useful, subscribe for more iOS AI breakdowns. For more information, visit Standarity.com. See you in the next video.